Hello, this is me, Ali Raza. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Bing Ads certified advertising professional, as well as an owner of a Google Party company. And today I'm here with a new question, which was being asked by my audience in one of my blogs. I can show you videos. You can see over here. This is the question, and I'm going to copy paste it so you guys can read it with a bigger font. So here you can see over here. The question is Raza Bhai. Bhai means brother. Okay, Raza Bhai, I love your all videos. Thank you so much, and I need help. I need your help, bhai brother. I'm running my Google Ads in India on keywords copper bottle manufacturer. There is no competition on this keyword. Nobody is running his ads on keywords. Now I'm running maximize clicks and using portfolio bid strategy and bid kept rupees 4 per keywords. Maximum CP is showing 10 rupees and kept 300 rupees budget daily, but I'm getting low impressions and low clicks. Please help me by what strategy I apply in low budget over here. Okay, there are a few things which you need to keep in mind. First of all is that how you are determining that there is no competition. How did you find it that there is no competition? How are you sure with this that you do not have any competition? I highly doubt over here that you do not have any competition. Okay, so even with this, now you are running maximize clicks. Okay, the beauty of the Google is that it charges the lowest possible with the next running advertiser. So in case if there is no advertiser, then you need to be charged lowest possible amount. But you said that you are using portfolio bid strategy with maximize clicks and bid kept at rupees 4 per keyword, but the maximum CP is showing 10 rupees. It means that there are other advertisers over here as well, because maximum CP is showing that there are people who are trying to advertise. So I think that there are more advertisers over on that keyword. And budget kept rupees 300 rupees daily, but I'm getting low impressions and low clicks. So also you need to figure out that how many times this keyword is being searched a day. Okay, you need to also figure out this, how many times being this keyword searched every day. Okay, also I think that you may need to be open with more keywords. Running ad on a single keyword is a very slow. Also you may need to look around for further opportunities, like doing retargeting. I mean, targeting those people who have already visited your website or who already know about you. I think that retargeting is a very good. That is the minimum. I think you need to look around. Also, look around on your competitors, what keywords they are targeting. You can use SEMrush or any other keyword, but you know that in case if you hire us, we are going to look around and gonna sort it out that what keywords they are targeting, and we may find further opportunities over here. So now the core thing, let me answer your core thing, and that is the issue is with your quality score. Optimize your quality score now to reduce your cost. Okay, for start you may have to pay a little more, but once you are able to optimize the quality score, you can get your CPC reduced and you can get a lot of clicks. So what happens with the quality score optimization is that you may pay the lowest possible amount and get the top ad position. Now to get it, you have to improve your CTR. CTR means click through rate, and to get click through rate improved, you need to have a highly appealing ad with the lots of extensions. Okay, like phone review, deal, a lot of extensions on your ad, so to make it look like a very let me show you as well. There is a Google Ads preview tool as well, which I've been using. That is with the and you can create a very highly appealing ad. I'm just giving it because it just previews. Like you can add this price extension. This is a simple sample ad. If I add the price extension, you can see that ad is getting more show advertiser rating, gets more chances. Add location, get more trust. Add a phone call extension, call out extension, silent extension, like an ad like this which grabs your attention. So that is your first part in quality score optimization. Once you do it, you know that people are much more likely gonna grab their attention with your ad. Second, thing you may need to look around, and that is to optimize your landing page experience. To sort out the expectations a guy have when they clicked on your ad needs to be fulfilled with your landing page optimization. So I think that needs to be matched with it. So these are the few things which you can do, so you can reduce your cost and get more impressions. So I hope this answers your question. In case if you are looking for a detailed Google ads audit, Google ads management, SEO management, Facebook ads management, even web development. Me and my team can help you. All you have to do is to click on the link in the description and we can get started with you. And in case if you like this video, make sure to like and share this video, and make sure to subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon so that whenever I create a new video, you guys get a notification regarding this. Once again, thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.